How to start a career in photography. Traveling the world with a camera in hand seems to be the most in thing these days. Photography is one of those fields that often starts as a hobby, and eventually turns into a full-fledged career. So, if you are someone who uses his/her skills and talents for a part-time hobby, then it's time you realize your talent and turn it into a full-time profession. But, before you rush to the nearest store and buy a high-end camera and start clicking, here are a few tips to kickstart your career in photography. How to become a photographer. 1. Take a course. To make a career in today's digital photography world, you need to stay updated with the new techniques and equipment. Earlier, where people learn photography all by themselves, the changing times and increasing zeal to learn photography have led several institutions to offer courses to train people in the required skills and techniques. 2. Understand the basics. Enrolling yourself in a course will help you understand the basics of photography, like framing, mid-shot, close-up, aerial shot, etc. Rule of thirds, which is the alignment of the subject in a way to produce a more engaging image. Shutter speed, also known as exposure time, that helps create dramatic effects by freezing action or blurring motion. Understanding these basics will help you take balanced and interesting photographs. 3. Participate in competitions/take up internships. Once you learn the craft, the next step is to practice it, and become proficient. Participating in photography competitions and events can give you an opportunity to grow, recognize your strengths, and develop your skills. They give you a chance to get your work evaluated and critiqued by a panel of judges with the requisite knowledge of the field, and inculcating their suggestions not only improves your work, but also motivates you to outdo yourself in the next task. 4. Create a niche for yourself. To become a professional photographer, it is important to experiment with different genres that allow you to gain knowledge about different areas of photography. For instance, covering a social event will give you exposure to candid photography, while working with models will give you exposure to fashion photography. So, venturing out into various domains will help you understand your areas of strength, and help you build up your expertise in the areas of your choosing. In the long run, you will be able to carve a niche in your chosen area of photography. 5. Create a portfolio/blog/website. Showcasing your skills is as important as doing good work. A portfolio, blog or website can easily be turned into your marketing brochure. Making a portfolio communicates your views, abilities, skills, etc., and gives you a professional outlook. Some additional tips. If you are yet to take the professional plunge, you don't have to spend a fortune buying an expensive camera. Begin with a point-and-shoot or mobile camera, and later shift to a DSLR, once you are sure of your talents and passion for the field. Buying a DSLR will largely depend upon your budget. It is not wrong to say that photography is a vision you display to the world, and a vision that caters to the needs of your client. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.